My name is Tanne Morville, and I'm the Executive Manager at Gedulgt in Aarhus. Well, Gedulgt is a speakeasy cocktail bar in Aarhus. It's hidden. We can seat 150 guests and just serve great cocktails. As a manager, for me, it's really important to create a space for my employees that's just a really good work environment. And a big part of that is to have some systems and some structures that they feel safe in. And it might sound weird that a work scheduling system can do that for you, but it really can. By using Workfeed or saving the time using Workfeed, we've been able to pay a lot of attention to other details in our business, working on creating different systems for our employees and having a staff handbook, just designing a lot of new things in here. For me personally, I work in the hospitality industry for weird reasons. I see so much potential in this industry in terms of developing it and in terms of making it more professional. And to make it more professional, you need some professional tools. And sometimes being professional and being serious is super boring, but has a great value.